Hello friends, this is Sakina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am talking about best electric rice cooker. In this particular video I will share with you all the basic detail like pricing, brand and specification guys. So before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new and please follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, so let's get it started. So guys, there are many kind of electric rice cooker is available in the market, and there are four types of rice cooker, like multifunction rice cooker. Second is a standard rice cooker, and third improved rice cooker, and fourth and last is induction rice cooker. In electric rice cooker, you can make all kind of rice item like vegetable pulao, and you can boil potatoes and vegetable. You can make soup, and you can also make idli and momos also. Rice cooker are best option for bachelor student and a small family. And guys, it comes with different colors, and there are many popular brands like Prestige, Panasonic, Kent, Bajaj are most popular brand for rice cooker. First I will talk about Bajaj brand. Bajaj Electric Limited is a trusted brand for home appliances, especially kitchen appliances. And if you are a bachelor or a small family, this rice cooker is the best option for you guys. Capacity of the Bajaj electric cooker is 1.8 liter. This cooker is available in white color and cook very stylish. All you need to do with this electric rice cooker is put the right amount of water and rice, and the rest will be done with this smart rice cooker. This cooker is designed with cool touch handle, which will be make your work easier. And also electric rice cooker consumes 550 watt of power, which makes it power friendly appliances. The main feature is auto shut off, which ensure that your rice is never get burned and never get overcooked guys. Let's talk about its body. This machine is made of aluminum, which comes with an anodized finish. The product also include a user manual and a guarantee card. A list of service center you can call if you have any queries guys. Now we talk about its feature. Electric rice cooker comes with a transparent lid, which make it easy to monitor the overall cooking process. This comes with a stainless steel vent and also cool touch handle, warranty of 2 years on the product manufacturer. And it does not consume a lot of electricity since the rating is 200 watt. If you have been looking for such a rice cooker, this Bajaj rice cooker is perfect for your home guys. Now let's talk about Panasonic brand. Panasonic Appliances is an Indian company, and it is a well-known brand for designing and developing appliances for modern kitchen. It is an automatic rice cooker. This electric rice cooker from Panasonic can help you prepare several rice items that include pulao, vegetable, biryani and other rice items. And now take about its capacity. Its capacity is 1.8 liter. It is ideal for a small family guys. The cooker is simple and automatic and on off, but it also come in beautiful color like gray, red, blue. These are some beautiful color for your modern kitchen. And you also get 2 year of warranty on the product and 5 year of warranty on the heater. Let's talk about its body. The body is made from premium quality food grade, and it comes with high quality anodized aluminum, which is extremely durable. These two handles are heat resistant, which protect your hand from burning. This automatic cooker keeps your food warm up to 5 hours, and it's powered by 750-watt motor, and it can be used to cook up to 900 grams of rice in just 20 minutes. And this cooker is the best option for working women and student guys. Next brand is Prestige, and Prestige is a popular brand and most trusted brand for kitchen appliances. This Prestige electric cooker comes with a 1.8 liter storage capacity, and you can make many dishes like soup, idli, and vegetable pulao also. And it comes with a 700 watt of the motor, and it has a durable body with a double wall, which increase the life of the cooker. Second most important thing are cooker has two indicators, one for warm and second one indicator is for cooking. In this product you can also get a measuring cup, rice scoop, and some pot. And this cooker comes with automatic control. That means the cooker turns off automatically as soon as the rice is cooked. There are many uses for a rice cooker. You can steam momos with the help of electric rice cooker, and you can also make some dishes like idli. Similarly, there are several dishes can be cooked in the rice cooker, and you can also boil vegetable for soup and boil potatoes for your fillings. Take care of the rice cooker. You have check electronics parts and ensure that the water does not enter the electrical parts of the rice cooker. Instruction booklet has been given with this product. You must read the instruction while using the rice cooker. There are certain precautions that you must follow before using it. Now talk about its price. If you are compare a local product, the price is higher. Let's talk about its warranty. The market standard between 2 years on the overall product, but most of the brand offer a warranty of 5 years on the heating element. Only one problem is that you might face with a rice cooker is the longer cooking time. So guys, these are some trusted brand for electric rice cooker, which let you select the mode as per the need. So guys, for more information, please visit my blog www.designerplanet.blogspot.com, and you can also visit my website designerplanet.in. And if you have any queries, you can mail me and you can comment me. For latest update and offer, you can follow me on Instagram, and all link has been given in the description box. So guys, this was all about electric rice cooker. I hope you understand all the basic features and specification. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.